I'm going to the museum, very last minute decision, and I don't have anything to wear. I know y'all are gonna disagree. I know y'all gonna disagree. Relax, relax. But I'm gonna go to the fabric store and make something. I have an idea to make a pinstripe skirt. But we'll see. Here's the errands outfit. Very chill, very simple. Shorts are from Zara. They have a matching shirt. I own the shirt. Didn't want to wear the shirt. Too simple. I thrifted this white shirt from the Goodwill or something. My bag is Gani. Socks from Target. Wig.
Wig, did you just say wig? Yes. I know, wig. I feel that already.
Gita hair, however you want to pronounce it. My shoes are Cole Haan. I need to get new socks. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in the alley now, and I'm about to walk into the store that I always go to. It's called Journal Fabric. They know me by name, which is embarrassing, but here we are. Hi, how are you? Good. Hi. Okay, will do, thank you. So they have all of this like suiting material. I kind of want it to be an obvious pinstripe, so maybe something like this one, or maybe, yeah, I also love gray, but I think I want black, or maybe blue. While I'm here, I'm just gonna get fabric for Andrew's effect, which he's gonna need in the next couple of weeks. So, like, I might as well while I'm here. Okay, so now I just need to go get a zipper, and I think that's it. So here's a wall of zippers. I like the idea of being able to see the zipper for this particular item. So this is the zipper, very industrial looking, which I like. So we're gonna go with this one.
Nobody ever tells me to slim that.
Okay, so I'm kind of basing this off of a skirt that I already have. It's like a mermaid, not even, it just kind of really has a train. It's not even really a mermaid skirt. Anyway, I'm basing it off of this. I'm trying to decide based on the amount of fabric that I have if I want to make a front and a back, or if I just want to make it like a tube and then just add to the back. Probably gonna make a front and a back, leave the back open, add the extra fabric to the back to make a train. I don't even need my train to be this big. I just literally want it to be maybe like to here or whatever. We'll see, I don't know. Okay, so now, since we're here, I made the skirt, essentially just the actual skirt part of it. I haven't done the back yet. But now that we're here, I'm trying to decide if I want to put the zipper in the front, which I think is like a cool little play on menswear. I could either put the zipper in the front, which I think is cool, or I can just do the typical and put the zipper in the back, which is also fine. But I'm leaning towards putting the zipper in the front because it's like unconventional. Now the other question is, because I like seeing the zipper, I'm trying to decide if I want to just leave this part on the outside or do it how it's supposed to be done and just show the zipper part. And then, like, I think that that's probably the more polished thing to do. Okay, so I called my bestie Chuck and he told me to do the zipper. My wig looks fucking crazy. We'll fix that later. He told me to just do the zipper on top, and I agree. I think it's more fashion to do it on top. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I installed the zipper. I kind of messed up a little bit down here and it created a dart. However, I don't know that I hate it. I feel like it's kind of cute. Yeah, I feel like I kind of like it. Once it's like pressed, I feel like it'll be cute. Like men's suiting has like a little pleat in it, like so, like that. And I don't hate it. I don't hate it. But yeah. Next, I just need to like press it. Then I'm going to, what I think I'm gonna do is take all of this and just fold it over, potentially, or under rather, and it'll just kind of give that. This is where we are. I was thinking to put darts in the back so this just lays a little bit flatter, but after folding that down, I kind of don't even think it's necessary, really. Yeah. Okay, so now is where things will get a little bit more complicated. So the idea is to take this extra fabric here, add it to the back, and it'll be like a train, essentially. So it'll kind of give like that. Can you even see that? It'll do that. So I just need to cut a slit into the back that is the length of this, attach that, then I'll trim it, and then I'll hem it, and then I think everything will be perfect. But this is essentially how the skirt will look. Okay, so another mistake that I just made. I sewed it on the wrong side. So the seam is now on the outside, but it doesn't look bad. It looks intentional. I wish that all of it was like that, but it is what it is. So this is where we are now. Looks like this. That's the back. Here's the skirt. It has not been pressed yet. Still haven't done the waistband either, but I did end up cutting the tail, so now it looks like that. I still have the drama, you know, it's cute. Okay, this is how it turned out. Super simple project, really affordable, maybe cost me $14. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next random project that I decide to do at the last minute when I have somewhere to go. Bye.